How to play Roblox VR on mobile. Now the first thing that we'll need to do is log out or close Roblox here and go into our settings. So just click on settings and we will just scroll down like so. So we get the search bar, click on it, and here we'll just search for Roblox. Now click on Roblox and we want to make sure that both microphone and camera access have been granted like so. All right. Once we have granted or microphone and camera access, we can go back to Roblox here. Now from the bottom right corner, just click on more and then scroll down until you see the settings. Click on settings, then go to privacy. And here we'll scroll down until we see use camera to animate your avatar with your movement. So we want to toggle this on, check this, and then enable. Now I'll just show you how we can play. So we'll use the search bar to search for VR, like so. So VR, search for VR, and we can open up VR Hangout just as an example here. It's going to join the server, and as you can see, it's going to match our movements, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and a sub, and I'll see you next time.